Imagine being able to automatically follow trades of successful traders in real time and benefit from their experience and from their profits. And that's exactly what is copy trading. In this video, I walk you step by step how to get started as a complete beginner for copy trading, what platform you can use, and how do you choose the right traders to copy. This video is no financial advice, I'm just sharing my own opinion, and always don't forget, do your own research before you're investing. Before I explain you how to set up your copy trading account, let me first of all explain you what is copy trading about. Copy trading means your account is connected to another account where all trades I do is synchronized to your account. It doesn't matter if it's my copy trading account or someone else's copy trading account, but let me explain you here what it's about. So here you can see we're running this account a couple of days ago. So we are up here in the last 7 days over 50% in profit. And even if you're scrolling a little bit down, you see also the positions. So we open 4 positions here on the crypto market. So even we have 4 positions in profit, 1 position is here in a loss, kind of loss of 3%, but mainly over 100% in profit. Even also on the history, you can see a little bit more. You see the closed position. We close it here 1 position in loss and 4 positions here in profit. So we're still good on track on this account. I will give you later a huge deep tutorial about all the settings about the copy trading, but let me explain you how it works exactly. So first of all, you need to open an account on a copy trading platform. I use here Bitunix. So if you don't know what is Bitunix about, just go in the video description. There you'll find a link, first of all, directly to the exchange, and even also a directly link to my next video. I make a huge deep tutorial about Bitunix, why I like Bitunix so much, how you can use Bitunix for futures and spot trading, and even also set up your copy trading there. For sure, there are also some more exchanges out there, but I mainly use Bitunix for all my trades. So I will focus here on this video also here on Bitunix. Directly, if you're getting your account ready, just go here first of all to your wallet, because you need to deposit amount of money you want to invest here in copy trading. So first of all, go here to your asset overview, go to deposit, and then choose how you want to deposit. You can even do this with cryptos, or if you don't have cryptos yet, you can even also go for fiat exchange. So you can just also go here and buy crypto if you want to use your credit card or your bank transfer to buy here some cryptos. We need USDT for, so we just do this here right now. I will also put some USDT on my account. I go here for deposit, select the coin, USDT, select the network. Then you get here our deposit address. You go to copy. As soon as the deposit is arrived, we just go here to futures and then go to copy trading. So first of all, you have here a list of some traders who also offers copy trading. You can just go through it. And if you know the name of the copy trader, just go here and for the search bar, and then you can search for the trader and go here to the results and see also the trader here. Before you press copy, just go on the trader himself. So you see the exactly overview, you see the performance over the last couple of days. You can choose it also there. You see the ROI, you see the P&L, the profits so made the trader, you see the winning trades, you see the losing trade, you see the win rate. You also see here trading preferences, so which coins are traded here, or also here in the position, you can see the position are still open. So see what is the trader still doing. So here we can see we have 4 trades running, 5 trades are in profit, and this is a very good sign if the trades who are running are in profit. If there's a trader who runs like a lot of trades, like couple of thousand trades, and keeping them all in minus or in the losing position, this is a very bad sign for joining the copy trading, because then he only closed the winning positions. Here is very important to check also the positions, and not only the positions, also the history position. So check even also the last position, what position are closed. Are there more positions who closed in profit, or are there more positions who closed in a loss? So here we can see we have 1 position closed in a loss, like a break-even trade, to be honest, only like it seems like to be only the fees. And then you can also see here the winning trades. So you see we have more winning trades, and even the winning trades have way more ROI. This is very more important. The P&L doesn't matter, because the P&L depends also on your initial deposit. If the trader have a big amount of deposit in this account, it's a different P&L as yours. So here, don't focus on the P&L and himself, just focus on the ROI. So it's very important, even if you choose a trader, just focus on the ROI because we need the percentage wise. If you want to copy this trader right now, just go here and click for copy. Then you need to make some adjustments. So you can even do the multiplier, so which kind of amount you want to use, or you can use a fixed amount, what you want to use for order. It depends on yourself, what you want to prefer. If you want to do it like a multiplier, it's like a specific part of amount. It will be like the percentage part of the amount. I would definitely go for the more safer side, which is more made with a fixed amount. So you choose from the beginning which kind of amount you use only per order. So here, I have now here, next step I can use here my balance, how many money I want to invest in the copy trading. Here, my tip for you, don't go all in one copy trader, just like split it up for maybe 2 copy traders, or just put like 50% in it before, and then after, if the trade is running good, or if you see you need a little bit more amount for a deposit, just go later with more. So I would prefer here not go all in. We just put like $50 for now. Each order you can also use either the multiplier or the fixed amount. I choose here the fixed amount. So at each order I will take from the copy trader, I take here $10 as the maximum fixed order. And you can also set your own stop loss, how many percent you would risk at maximum on this account from your copy trading. First of all, you need to understand that copy trading is working like this. If the copy trader is setting his stop loss, it's synchronized also the same stop loss to your account. But you can also do own stop loss. So you can also make like, okay, I want to be more on the risky side, and if the trade is going like 10% in the loss, I will lose like only like 10% of my amount. Then the trade will cut off. This is also what you can do to protect your account there. In my opinion, it makes sense to make here a stop loss not higher than like 15 or 20%. So to protect your account as well. So just leave it like 15 or 10%, something like in this range you can use. And if you just wanted to trust the copy trader himself as well, just leave it as it is. So you just copy the settings of the copy trader himself. Then we have some advanced stuff. You can choose it as normal. So here you can choose the margin mode, same as the trader, or cross or isolate. I would definitely recommend you use only isolated margin. Myself, if I'm trading, I only use isolated margin, because if you use cross margin, your account get maybe killed if the liquidation price will hit you like crazy. So just go only for isolated. I make a huge deep tutorial about Bitunix themselves. So there I explain also the difference between cross and isolate margin. So just check out the video. I keep it like in the video description down below. The second part you can choose is like the leverage. You can use it as same as the trader. I would recommend to use the same as the trader, but you can also go for fixed leverage, more safer investment type. So you can choose your own leverage. Sometimes it makes sense to only go like 10x leverage, or if you go for higher, it's like higher the amount. But you can also go like only for 2x leverage. So this depends completely on yourself. I would definitely recommend you go with the trader side, because you want exactly copy the trader, and this is exactly what you want. If you want to be a little bit more of your own trading risk side, you can also choose like different parts of it. I would keep it here like it is as the trader. Then the last thing you need to do, you have to read and agree the user agreements before you can enter the copy trading. And here definitely keep one thing in mind: never invest your whole initial capital in one trader. Protect yourself, even also if the trades is running against you. And don't forget, past performance never guarantees you future results. Also, the copy trader is only like a human being, so it could also be that the copy trader will be wrong. So definitely also, before you invest in crypto copy trading, just make sure that you're not investing all your money there. And then you can start here copy. Just go on to copy, and then successful copied, you get a notification, and then you joined successfully the copy trader. Here you can see now the position. When the position get opened, you see the profit history, you see the copied order, you see the profit history, and you also see your fundings. So this is definitely what you can also see there. So if there's a next copy trading trade signal coming, it's automatically pulling out here. And the great part of it, you didn't need to be active on your phone, it's just going automatically, and even if you are sleeping, you can see the same results as the copy trader. And as you see here, the first trade is already open. It's a SUI position. You see your amount, you see also the liquidation price, you see the margin level, and you also see your margin. You see the profit. Even if you are feeling, okay, the trade is now great in profit or is too much in loss, you can even take action by yourself. You can just close it as it is right now on your own. You don't need to wait always on the copy trader's performance. You can also adjust your own settings there. So just even if the trade is highly in profit and you want to go with the profits, just go for close the market. And even also you can adjust also the take profits and the stop loss by yourself. So even the trader puts a stop loss or a take profit, you can adjust this by yourself. So you not gave the whole control for the trader. You can also be part of the same control about it. So I can make it like here. If I want to close the position, if I don't know if it's SUI reach like $4.20. So if SUI hits like $4.20, I want to go out. It doesn't matter what the trader is doing. So then you can also do your same amounts here on the trades by yourself. And on your copy trades, you can also see all the copy traders you are following. You see also the settings. So here, don't worry, you can even anytime end the copy trading over there. You can also make the settings new. So you can just go here and also put your stop loss or your amount of order or also your leverage position different. So this is what you can enter every time. Even also you can also transfer more or less money to your copy trading account. So this setting you can do it anytime at any moment to adjust here your copy trading account. Yeah, and that's basically all from the video about copy trading. So just also explore a little bit more about copy trading. I keep a video down below about Bitunix as well. And if you want to join my copy trading group, just go in the video description. There you find a link directly to my copy trading. And as you see here in the video, the trade is great in profit. Copy trading is working well. So I hope you will also make a lot of profit with your copy trading. As you see it here directly right now, we realize our profit. Our first trade is here going in profit. The realized profit is already taken. So we make here our first copy trade here directly live on the video in profit. So I hopefully you will also make a lot of profit with your copy trading. And then we see in the next video. Watch out the video here if you want to see more about crypto stuff.